Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up Outlook forwarding. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you prefer using and search for Outlook and click on the first link right over here. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this file button, click on settings, and you're going to be on this window right over here. Now go ahead and click on mail, and all you need to do is click on forwarding and IMAP. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to the forwarding section right over here. Simply go ahead and re-sign in and verify that it is your account. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where it's going to ask you for an alternate email or a phone number that you can forward to. So simply go ahead and write an email, and that is about it. Once you've done that, it's going to start forwarding all the emails that are going to be sent to you to that mail at the moment. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.